Hey everybody, today I'm going to show you a quick and simple way to change your password on your PC. So what you want to do first is go to the search down here, the bottom left, or you can hit your Windows key to open it up, and you're just going to search password. And when you search your password, it should, in this list, it should bring you an option that says change your password. It may not be at the top, but it should be in here somewhere. Go ahead and click that. So whenever you get this window open, you should see an option on here that says change your password. You can change your PIN as well. There's other things you can do if your computer allows that. But you're not going to see that on mine because mine is actually, my PC is linked with a Microsoft account. So for me to actually change the password on mine, I'd have to go to the Microsoft account online and change it that way. There's also another way you can change your password that's pretty quick. If you hit Control-Alt-Delete, it'll bring you up to a lock screen that has a few options like lock, switch user, sign out, task manager, and it should be an option to change password as well in there. But again, there won't be one for me. Just like some of my other videos, that was pretty straightforward and easy, and that's all I've really got for you. If you have any questions, leave a comment. If you like this video and it was helpful for you, leave a like and subscribe, and have a great day.